Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum one class. I'm your science teacher and today is lecture number 22, 7th September 2020, Monday. Topic annual leaves plus fun page, diary, book page number 54 plus workbook page number 33. Here is book page number 54. First of all, mention your date and day. Complete this picture by adding the missing parts. Draw arrow and label the parts. This is a fish. This is a fish and draw your missing word, letters, parts and label the parts. Scale, tail, fin and gills. This is a bird. Draw missing part. Okay, student. Beak and claws. This bird is incredibly colorful. Can you name it? Color the picture. Name peacock and colors. आपने इनमें different color करने हैं. Many animals are in danger. We have to take care of this animal. Ask your teacher to tell you about some of the animals which used to live on earth long ago. कुछ जानवर जो होते हैं बहुत ख़तरनाक होते हैं, हमें उनकी हिफाजत करनी चाहिए दूसरे जानवरों से. और अब हमने आज बात करनी है उन जानवरों के बारे में जो कि ज़मीन पर रहते हैं. We used to live on earth. First of all, mention your date and day. Where do following animal lives? Hint: in water. On land, can fly. Elephant on land. Crab in water. Ant can fly. Turtle in water. Butterfly can fly. Donkey on land. Fox on land. Rabbit on land. Bird can fly. Cat on land. Penguin on land. Fish in water. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये था आज का आपका लेक्चर. उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गई होगी. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, फी इमानिल्लाह.